Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Today's video is a recipe on carrot cupcakes. I have officially hit 150 subscribers. Thank you for everyone who's watched, subscribed and shared my videos. But if you haven't, please like, subscribe and watch my other videos. S'il vous plaît, cliquez sur le bouton d'abonnement et la cloche de notification. Suivez mes réseaux sociaux. Let's get on with the video. Before you start, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. In a small bowl, start with your dry ingredients. Sift through 125 grams or 1 cup of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon each of baking soda, baking powder and cinnamon. Set aside for later. In the main bowl, cream together 1 cup of butter. You could use oil if you don't have butter, but butter makes it fluffier. And add 3/4 cup of caster sugar. You could use a hand whisk, but it won't be as blended together. After, add 2 eggs and whip that as well. Add the dry mix in the bowl and mix till it gets creamy. To avoid fluff, hand mix it first. Finally, add 300 grams of grated carrot and gently fold it in with a spatula. Don't mix with a machine, otherwise you'll lose all the carrot bits and end up with an orange cake. Using a leveled spoon, spoon the mix into 12 cupcake cases, just over halfway. This helps them stay level and tall. Put them in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. To check they're cooked, put a toothpick in it and it should come out clean. When cooked, leave them to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. For decoration, you can top it off with buttercream. I've got my 3-ingredient sugar-free buttercream. Click the I button at the top or link in the description to learn how to make it. If you want to decorate it even simpler, then you can dust some ice and sugar on the top. This wouldn't be carrot cupcakes without carrots on the top. The inside is so bouncy and soft, but you still get all different textures with the carrot. This recipe is for sure the one. This is what yours could look like. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. If you ever want cupcakes like these or other party food, I do orders for anyone in London and Essex. You can contact me with any of the information on the screen. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell underneath this video. Tell your family and friends about my channel. Bye!